Good day, my love stones. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a sleek ponytail using this hair right here, which I will show you. It is called the model crimp wave, and this is a 30-inch bundle that I'm using. I did get 2 bundles of this hair to achieve this look that I'm going to show you all in just a second. So let's get into it. This is the look that we're going for, y'all. As you can see, this is a bow trend ponytail that is going viral. So y'all tune into this video to get the details on this tutorial on how to slay your own ponytail.
We hit the club and his cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging a deal. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in a deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Run the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow back. It's the way. She wasn't on a roller, she wanted on a runner. See the dark skin girls with a light skin crew. Yeah, we to you. But she the light skin girl with a light skin crew. Y'all know what I do. I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Round the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow back. It's the way. Every time, with that. When she gets away, that is how it goes. That is how it goes. So we run good. She gets away. If this what she wanna be, she can have it away. Oh no, no, yeah, yeah. No, baby, oh, you can have it your way.
I might just call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you and us forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything.
might just call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I'll leave you screaming anything.